In today's video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing method that will literally send shivers down your spine. I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere between $100 to $500 per day on complete autopilot using a simple affiliate marketing strategy, and I'm also going to show you how to set this up step by step so you can watch this entire video, then just go out there, set this up yourself and start making money with this too. Now before we get into all of that, I would like to kindly ask you to make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also go ahead and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. Oh, and also before we get to the method, I've got something huge to announce. I'm preparing something big for you guys and it's coming out soon, so just stay tuned for future videos because very soon I will have a huge announcement that you don't want to miss out. So just go ahead and make double sure you have subscribed, and now just let's move to the method. Okay, so first of all we are going to grab ourselves an affiliate product, and I'm going to give you the exact affiliate product that I use to make almost $500 in a single day just by doing this. And for that I want you to head over to clickbank.com. If you're new here, obviously just go through your sign up process, get your free Clickbank account, then what you want to do is just simply log right into it. And once you get to the affiliate marketplace, you want to go into health and fitness section. Just go to this health and fitness section, and right here you want to filter by dental health. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you a product that will literally send shivers down your spine because we are going to be dealing with dental health. Now the exact product that I want you to go for is this one right here, and it's called Pro Dentim Monster in Dental Niche. As you can see, you can get around $129 for each successful sale of this product, and as you can see, this product has a gravity score of almost 600, which is extremely good for affiliate product like this. So if you're going to use the exact process that I'm going to show you to sell this, you will literally have zero problems getting these conversions. Now if you go to their sales page, you can see that this is a high quality sales page that is going to be doing all the selling for you. So pretty much all you need to do is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this site, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. So once you will drive enough traffic to this site, you will get all these conversions, all these sales, and one of the best ways to do that, pretty much what you want to do is grab your affiliate link for this product first, because obviously you need some way to get traffic to the sales page, and your affiliate link is the best way to do that. So just pretty much click on promote right here. You want to fill in your Clickbank nickname, then just click on create a hop link, and you will get your affiliate link generated down here. Now pretty much you can leave this site open and grab it here later, but what I highly recommend is just simply copying and pasting this affiliate link into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later, because you never know what may happen. You may accidentally close this Clickbank site, and then you will have trouble getting to your link. Pretty much what you want to do now after you grab your affiliate link is just go to this website that's called Vimeo.com. Just go to Vimeo, and what you want to do here is pretty much go to this section where it says watch, and you want to click on browse videos. And actually you can use YouTube for this as well, but one of the reasons why I like using Vimeo for this type of methods I'm going to show you exactly in just a couple of seconds. But first what you want to do is go to the search bar right here at the top, and you want to write there dental procedure. Just hit search on that, and you will get all these videos that are showing dental procedures, how they are being made, and how exactly it's going to happen when you're going to go to the dentist and you will have to have your teeth fixed. I don't know about you guys, but while I'm watching these videos I'm not having fun. Okay, I'm getting shivers down my spine because I myself don't want to be going through all of these procedures. And as you can see right here, some of these are pretty graphic, but I'm not going to go into detail on that. But pretty much what you want to do is just go ahead and grab yourself one of these videos, and the way to do that is just go ahead and open the video. And what you want to do, if you want, you can just watch this video to know what awaits you if you're not going to be taking care of your teeth, but I'm going to stay away from that for now. Pretty much what you want to do is just go to this share button, click on share, and you want to grab this embed link. You don't want to just copy the link to this video, you want to grab this embed link because we are going to be embedding this video to Google Sites. Just pretty much go to Google, type in Google Sites, and you want to go to this site right here. Pretty much all you need to do is just click on blank page, and you want to create a simple landing page. Okay, now you don't have to make it anything fancy and all that because the sales page is going to be doing all the selling for you. All you need to do using this landing page is just drive traffic from the traffic source that I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds to the sales page. Now pretty much what you want to do first is just go ahead and name it something, for example like dental inlay procedure. Then just go ahead and click on this embed button, go to embed code and paste the embed code from Vimeo right here. Then just click on next, and all you need to do is just click on insert, and this video will be posted to your Google landing page, and you don't have to worry about copyrights and all that stuff because you are actually not downloading this video, you're just embedding it into the site, and all the necessary credits as the original poster and creator will be there. So what you want to do is just embed it into your site and also go ahead and position it in the middle. So I'm just going to stretch this frame, position it something like this. Then I'm going to place a text box right above this video, something like that. And now I need a catchy title. Watch this video to see how dental implant surgery looks on 3D model. Then just go ahead and grab another text box, place it below this video, something like this. And here you want to write this, for example, a short paragraph explaining how dental health is very important. And pretty much what you want to do then is just go to this right side and you want to select this button and click on the button. You want to create a simple button that's going to say something like check out the best option for you. Then pretty much all you need to do is just go ahead and grab your affiliate link, copy it, and paste it into this link section of this button and click on insert. This is going to create a simple clickable button that you can now customize to make it a little bit more appealing. So to do that, I'm just going to position it in the middle, and also I'm going to stretch it out something like this, so it's going to be more noticeable. Stretch it all across this site, and then also go to this section and click on this palette right here, select colors, and now you can select different styles for your button. Now for example, I was checking out these styles and I was pretty amazed how this one is going to look on this site, so I'm just going to use this one. Pretty much all you need to do now is just publish this page and make sure to name it something relatable to the process. Then just click on publish, and all you need to do now is just wait to drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this page. Now to do that, you've got many different options. You can just grab a link to this page, go to some forums like Quorum or Reddit and paste the link in the answers to any of the posts that are dealing with dental health. But in this video, I've got something special prepared for you. But in this video, I'm going to show you an option to get traffic to this site that's going to be a lot more effective and a lot more targeted. This website right here, that's called writesonic.com. This is like one of the best AI writing bots out there. You can also go ahead and use ChatGPT for this, but the quality of article that you are going to create is not going to be very good. So for that reason, I highly recommend that you use writersonic.com, and you can use this tool completely for free to generate a couple of articles. Obviously, it's not going to be free after that, but if this is your first time on Writesonic, you can generate 1 or 2 or maybe 5 articles completely for free. So to do that, just pretty much click on Get Started right here, and you want to select this Article Writer 3.0. Just click on that, and now you get to generate your article with just a couple of clicks. First of all, you need to select a topic for your article. For that reason, I'm going with something like dental health and dental repair procedures. You want to select a premium article and make sure it's in English, and go scroll down here and click on Generate Ideas, and this tool is going to generate ideas for the article that you may want to choose from. Now because the video that we used on the landing page has something to do with the dental procedure, I'm going to go with this one right here. So I'm just going to click on it, and you can see that it has chosen this as a title. Now pretty much all you need to do now is just generate intros. It's going to generate an intro paragraph for your article, and yet again you can choose from multiple options. Just choose one that you like the most. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use this one, the first one, and now you get to generate outlines. Click on Generate Outlines, and you get all these outlines for the article that this website is going to generate for you. Now pretty much what you want to do here is select one of these options. For example, I'm going with this one, and you need to replace the second option. You can see you've got multiple titles generated for the paragraphs in this article, but the second one you need to rewrite into something that's going to be related to the video on the landing page. So for that reason, I'm going to write in there something like dental procedures and how do they work, exclamation mark, something like this. Then I'm just going to hit on Generate Article, and just like that, this website will generate this high quality article along with an image and the source of the image. So you've got that taken care of too. And as you can see right here in the second paragraph, the title that you have chosen gets generated as a part of this article. Now pretty much if you're happy with this article, all you need to do is now just click on Share button right here at the top, and you want to download this as a PDF. Just download it as a PDF, and now comes the part where I show you one of the best websites that you can share this article to drive the most amount of relevant traffic to your affiliate link, and that is going to give you the biggest edge in getting sales with this product. What you want to do is just go to Google and you want to search for medium.com. Just hit search on that. Then just go to this first website in the search result, that's called medium.com, and this is one of the best sources of traffic that you can get for your affiliate links, because if I'm going to check it out using similar web extension, you can see this website gets over 130 million monthly visitors, and most of them are coming from tier 1 countries. For example, like United States gets the most share of traffic, then you've got United Kingdom, Canada, and these are actually the best countries to promote this offer in. So pretty much what you want to do is just click on write an article here, then you just want to open the PDF that you have downloaded from the Writesonic AI, and then just copy it and paste it into Medium. So just go ahead and copy the title, paste it in there, then just copy this entire article just like that. Paste it in there just like that. Now what you want to do is go to your landing page you created on Google Sites. It's going to be this one. You want to copy the link to it and then just go back to Medium, and in this second paragraph, where's the second paragraph? Just let me scroll to it. Dental procedures and how do they work. One of the reasons why I have chosen this title, because at the end of this paragraph I'm going to add a small sentence that's going to be something like, watch this 3D video to see how dental implants are done. Then pretty much just go ahead and select this entire sentence, and you want to embed, click on this link button, you want to embed it with your Google landing page. If you're going to embed it with your affiliate link directly, there's a high chance that you will not get a lot of traffic, because although Medium is affiliate link friendly, you just have to disclose that you're posting an affiliate link in your article. But because we are embedding this sentence with a Google site landing page that's containing a valuable video of dental procedure being done, that way we will not get into any trouble with Medium. Just go ahead and embed it with your affiliate link, click enter, and now this becomes a clickable button. Pretty much all you need to do now is just simply click on publish, then just go ahead and fill in a bunch of these topics. For example, go with something like dental care, teeth, dental implants, dental treatment, pretty much stuff related to dental health, okay? Just go ahead and choose a couple of these topics, then just click on publish now. Now the article is going to get published, and pretty much everybody that's going to read through it, it's going to see that provides value, because actually this article explains anything to do with dental health. They will come to this sentence, and because people actually want to watch videos instead of reading articles in most of the cases, they're going to click on it, they will be taken to this landing page that you have created, they will watch this video, and if they can see there's an option to avoid this, they will click on it, they will be taken to this sales page, and it's going to be doing all the selling for you. So everybody interested in dental health will want to keep their teeth in the best possible condition, and this sales page is going to convince them that this is the way to go about that. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, just go out there, put it to work, make some money with it, and after you do, return to this video, and down in the comments do let me know how much money you have made using this. Now also stay tuned for more videos, because I will be making a huge announcement very soon, and I don't want you to miss it. And now if you're hungry for some more money making content, just try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.